Best bicep and tricep routine. Biceps workout. Do it 3 sets and 12 reps. Do it light weights. I only do 8 but do it 12 reps. Wide biceps workout. And then the next is tricep workout. Close grip. Do it 3 sets and 12 reps. And then the last is triceps workout. Do it like this. Do it only lightweight. 3 sets and 12 reps.